The River Merchant's Wife, a Letter. In this poem, a young wife writes a letter to her husband who has been away for a long time on business. She reminisces about their early marriage and expresses her deep longing for his return, capturing the melancholy of separation and the strength of her love. The River Merchant's Wife, a Letter narrates emotional experiences of a young wife regarding her husband, emphasizing the significance of connection and the hurt that comes with separation. The poem poses philosophical questions about longing and how distance affects relationships, showcasing the intricacies of love and memory. Lipos, The River Merchant's Wife, a Letter is a poem that explores themes of love, yearning, and the passage of the time through the perspective of a young wife writing to her absent husband. It traces her emotional growth from a shy girl to a deeply loving woman, highlighting the innocence of youth and how separation amplifies her affection. The poem emphasizes the deep and simple nature of human relationships, particularly those built on love and companionship, and illustrates how distance can strengthen emotional bonds.